How to lose weight fast without exercise or diet in a week. Sticking to a conventional diet and exercise plan can be difficult. However, there are several proven tips that can help you eat fewer calories with ease. These are effective ways to reduce your weight, as well as to prevent weight gain in the future. Here are 11 ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. All of them are based on science. 1. Chew thoroughly and slow down. Eating your food slowly can help you feel more full with fewer calories. It is an easy way to lose weight and prevent weight gain. 2. Use smaller plates for unhealthy foods. Smaller plates can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Therefore, it's smart to consume unhealthy foods from smaller plates, causing you to eat less. 3. Eat plenty of protein. Adding protein to your diet has been linked to weight loss, even without exercise or conscious calorie restriction. 4. Store unhealthy foods out of sight. If you keep unhealthy foods on your counter, you are more likely to have an unplanned snack. This is linked to increased weight and obesity. It's better to keep healthy foods, like fruits and vegetables, in plain sight. 5. Eat fiber-rich foods. Viscous fiber is particularly helpful in reducing appetite and food intake. This fiber forms gel that slows down digestion. 6. Drink water regularly. Drinking water before meals may help you eat fewer calories. Replacing a sugary drink with water is particularly beneficial. 7. Serve yourself smaller portions. Larger portion sizes have been linked to obesity and may encourage both children and adults to eat more food. 8. Eat without electronic distractions. People who eat while distracted are more likely to overeat. Paying attention to your meals may help you eat less and lose weight. 9. Sleep well and avoid stress. Poor sleep and excess stress may imbalance several important appetite-regulating hormones, causing you to eat more. 10. Eliminate sugary drinks. Sugary drinks have been linked to an increased risk of weight gain and many diseases. Your brain doesn't register liquid calories as it does solid foods, making you eat more. 11. Serve unhealthy food on red plates. Red plates may help you eat fewer unhealthy snack foods. This may be because the color red triggers a stop reaction. But if you want a groundbreaking new weight loss product that's changing the face of dieting, click the link in the description for more info. https://bit.ly/2vouch